So hello guys, our today's tutorial is on how to draw a center point straight slot. So for that we need to go on our Solidworks main window. So select all the planes and click on show. Then I just wanted to draw the center point straight slot on front plane, so I am selecting here the front plane and click on sketch. Then you can appear the sketcher window, then go to our straight slot arrow button and select the center point straight slot. You can also see on the screen, then select that. Then we need to select only the center point and one radius of that, or the another center point of that slot and the radius of that slot. You can also change the dimensions from here as the width and the height of that slot, as we can do on the straight slot, which is the same procedure. So I am selecting here as the major radius as 300 and minor radius as 100 mm. You can also see here, this is our today's tutorial how to draw a center point straight slot, which is very simple. So thank you.